Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Minal Quran quiz. Let's start. Question 20. What does the Quran call seeking forgiveness from Allah? Answer: Tawbah. Question 21. Which chapter tells the story of the people of Tahmud? Answer: Surah Al-Furqan. Question 22. Which chapter is read for protection from evil? Answer: Surah Al-Falaq. Question 23. What does the Quran call God's plan for the universe? Answer: Qadar. Question 24. Which chapter says Allah is the best planner? Answer: Surah Al-Kahf. Question 25. What does the Quran call the belief in one God? Answer: Tawheed.